All right, I'm sure Yamu Apapa Brass at Timabo report. Honorable Yakubu, or your parliamentary candidate, Nanwa Tuaba, Onana Ujina as NDC parliamentary candidate. Honorable Apapa, and then Mahuse also so Wababi. Na Bibika Krebi, Yura, that's a Wabaya assembly member. And maybe feed a number of years in terms, but when you saw that's a encounter kakra bi a wo ka fathers bro
yo menua meda wase bebre mechia wahefo nyina na mede ya kosem ade ama nana mampo hima nana dokuma dufie the second ana mampo tsanko nyina ane mampo man riche ana atoye mebo yamin baye say ya papa yamin fa me kra esie yi ade ba ko metimi aka father sebre on say the first time am the who that sebre was the elected as assemblyman our assembly ho na baye me hwe na stature na benefit na echi profile na be kan am what this man was once a lawyer timi kusa ampa so yes ampa okuta law background ana omo popo aye ke history sina na ma say ampa mampo jawabi from there yabasano one time I feel na sana na nasi chi ya faso etu ya fo as emrancha aye baso no na ma say yes mampo we are blessed to have this man as our king. Na emro kakra bi anamete se nana konikachi I think that enye is in my but menya nyame ena shisha ni bibia na ko possible bia emre so bia ebeko tini amaka na se nana nyame afani kansie ye na nia na wo china stand for se ko betima peja mampoman adi akwa kojo no yen ya kan ke betimi apoa ya peja mampo one of the core ayi another nana akoma so am calling che akache be say yemwa na Amstec University no emele authority se ba ya beti no ho every aye Kumasi campus no wo se wa ya wa pesu agbabodu akaba bi kakra bi na minister nana ani so di hunu wei a kama no tie no na me ya domo a ba bia wo se fa so na yeti mana na ani so di hunu eba no atense na me ya domo e ba accomplish
that's the last public statement o make it for NDC party no ha na amanfo bia ye ho asibi that's the some kind me say wuti na why parliamentary candidate no wa ba ye ani a wudi ko party no e dia na wo kan dia fa that's the some one on the chat to kra e wo betwam
me da sibebre na minister kan fa men ko but on the abahon you na me ni ha na me okwantu ana metese esensem kakra ekoso ewo mampo NDC party na dasibra in his own wisdom no one for only one political party but for both NDC and MPP ana odu ya for say yatna asumbe for longer period of time yehunu saje we bi eda enti won pese e bi besibio ana advice say yanko na yankoti eyenia na mampo hima advisor woduma ye no so ya omoba retracted certain comments bi o ha na enye palatable omoba retracted no more apologize omo timeline I think so party no so the writing omo so ko so I apologize edi so I think so nana ye obi a opasuye sa so nana hima wafo obi a se deba ti wono so I advise because nana no nya ma yourself na say na adem so call you know I think some of the utterances you know are palatable and no am advice here all my parties to mu ama wɔn yɛ the right thing nti mɛmi hu sɛ nea esi yɛn ahwɛ yie na akyɛwpa ana yɛde bɛma ɛyɛ His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, President of the Republic of Ghana, Commander-in-Chief of the Ghana Armed Forces, and Yedibi Suwama, Honorable Johnson Sedu Ketia, and National Party Executives. Now Yedibi Suwama, a regional minister, I will free Goma, and not to be a piano. I was consider the regional minister the first because Yame Abwaye and will free her. And I gave you a piano, so I was a minister. Our the pros and cons. The regional minister so the Papa Nacho, the Achao Paso, the Ama, the regional chairman, Chairman Anabasi, Achao Chairman, Wongala, and Adewe, the CEO, Sonny, your sister, Oba, the Jan and I, who says, so I'm trying to prepare the canton or the better. Now, party for months or Mampoa, Mama Yan Kaya Humo, Adia is here, no, you've been making sure the NCPO, I condemn it. Meaning, sir, Adia way NCPO, many fear, you say Adia will be as Nana Minia, a friend of Mapa, or some okay, it's me, I patch on behalf of the background on the say you watch a chain, again, I become a party for. The DBA will be again a party for my again of future men at the moment. Once I had 10 people. Now, make kind say, Minister Party, no, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, the national chairman, and the committee, I have found almost a Omunya, I have veteran, almost scrutinize from the regional level and about national level. Again, national security, any other bodies ababe survey ewa sina minim say obi a oye adwuma bia no His Excellency wo reward no so we vote mampo ye yana ha sina from 26.2% to 33.81% mampo but in the history you cost 30% that That's a Juma cause both presidential and parliamentary. I just said, yeah, Juma. Again, and Yamina, show on my money and answer, and California Juma said, Mr. A and answer Mr. B. Mean himself in their own wisdom, no. Or maybe you will be a party man, party managing it too much, and also the Babwa, I'm a party, no, and couple my back. Because some may or may be a man for you, know. Ama ase ama for really kakra but minim sir enter at the right time. President of the Republic Omoba appointee obi a party man in abre. The bottom line is party man in abre awo ba party man so so ebe no atum sabaya manko aba fanga afra. John of Bedasi, young Casapi, when you can be a near free or the whole culture party man, and Sunday dinner, but on the dance,